In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sora 2 with the image upload feature. Let's dive in and make sure you get the most out of this handy tool. To start, you'll want to open Sora 2 on your device. Once you've got the application up and running, the first thing you should do is look for the Upload Image button. You'll find this option in the main navigation area. When you click on it, it will prompt you to select an image from your computer or device. Go ahead and pick the image you want to work with. This feature can handle various file formats, so you shouldn't have trouble uploading the most common image types. After your image is successfully uploaded, the next step involves adding a bit of your creativity. You'll notice a section where you can input a prompt. This prompt serves as a guiding light for the kind of modifications or enhancements you'd like to see in your image. Be as descriptive or detailed as you like. The better the direction, the more Sora 2 can offer in terms of refining your image. You'll also need to make a decision on the orientation of your final image. This is essential in ensuring the image fits your needs. Whether for a digital project or a printed piece, you have two options to choose from: portrait or landscape. Think about where and how your image will be viewed or used and select the orientation that best suits your intended audience and purpose. The next setting to consider is the duration. Sora 2 allows you to select a duration if you're creating a video or a GIF from your uploaded image. Decide on how long you'd like your final creation to display. If a specific length is required, perhaps for social media or a presentation, ensure you match those specifications. Once you've got all these choices laid out, your prompt, chosen orientation, and the duration, it's time for the magic to happen. You can go ahead and click the Generate button. This action will prompt Sora 2 to process your image using the parameters you've input. Depending on the complexity of your prompts and the duration you've selected, the processing time might vary. So don't worry if it takes a moment. Post-generation, your transformed image should be ready and waiting for you, along with any added effects or enhancements. Remember, you can always refine your selections and regenerate if the output isn't exactly what you envisioned. Experimenting with different prompts, orientations, and durations can yield unique and impressive results. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to use Sora 2 with the image upload feature. Take some time to play around with different images and creativity options to see everything you can achieve. Thanks for tuning in and happy creating.